Alright guys, so what we got here is a vacuum contest. Alright, so we're going to start with this Hoover Flair. It's proved itself wonderful around the house for vacuuming up just about everything. And if it fails, we'll use this, which one should I use? We're going to use this Shade $50. We're going to use this your Shark Powered Liftaway Speed. Shark Powered Liftaway. And if everything else fails, we'll use the Eureka with the nozzle there. So we got some pencil shavings. No, I don't know if you can see these blue things right there. They're just shreddings from a Nerf ball, you know, like. So let me get the vacuum plugged in and all. Then let's see how. Okay, so we got the Hoover Flair plugged in. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, and let's go ahead and see what we can do. It's picking it up. Some buggies right there. All right, let's go into the middle. Hey, not doing bad. Now we're going to go and finish it up. This is for Disney in 2 weeks. The brush isn't working on the thing, and I fixed it before and I couldn't get it to work. Alright, pretty much all gone. There may be a little bit of Nerf ball shadings left in there. And there's a pencil thing issue. Okay, so right there you can see all it got all stuck. And so let's go ahead and put this all back on the floor for the shark. Just a little bit of a pencil shaving jam. Not bad for the Hoover Flair. So I say that thing for a stick vac did an awesome job. Now we'll go ahead and try the shark. Okay, so now we're going to do the Shark Powered Liftaway. Okay, the Hoover Flair has 8.2 amps. I think the power this has 12, so let's see what it does. Oh. Oh. Huh. Let's do that with the Hoover Flair. It looks like it's doing a better job than the Hoover Flair. But the Hoover Flair's threshold is not working. Well, the shark definitely took longer than the Hoover Flair. So, that's for the video, guys.